Hey guys, Nilton here, coming to you on a Wednesday evening when I should be out riding with my friends. I'm here fixing wheels for our members, and I'm doing a repair job, a mainboard swap for the EX30. And I want to show you something. I'm sure you can see. I'm trying to get the reflection there. See, there. See. So some parts there, those parts there. The shiny ones are not actually attached to the heat sink, right? So they are suspended, but we're not, you can see them still new, shiny. Let's see, get this as the reflection again, a bit typical here. Let's see. Okay, maybe, yeah, there, okay, maybe this way. See there? The shiny part there, and it's touched the heat sink. So it gets warmed up easily. So what I do when I replace a mainboard, or when I buy a new wheel and before I remove it, and the reason why the pad is elevated from the heatsink is because there's this fit here, yeah, it's right, it's about 1 mil to accommodate for this the thickness of this thermal pad there, which is great engineering, but sometimes the pad is not uniform, so it's a bit thinner, so it doesn't touch the heatsink. So what you do is, what I do to avoid overheating, and it works beautifully, is a grinder, and I grind the feet slightly down, right? Not too much, right? So the whole pad gets stuck to the heatsink. So something like this. A bit more. So do it all the 4 feet. Beautiful. Now it's almost flush, so that when the pad goes down, it touches, the whole thing touches the heatsink. It's uniform. Now, because it's slightly lower, try not to over tighten the screw, so you don't want to bend the bolt on the 4 corners. Yeah, so be careful with that. So the more you do it, the more experience you get, you know how much to grind down. But I guess not many of you get a chance to do this all the time. So again, beautiful. Next one, almost done. 2 more. And this guarantee your mainboard to be very cool. Very cool. Cooler than it was originally. Yep, cover it a bit. Doesn't matter if it's missing here a bit, as long as the whole pad of the inside touches the heat sink. Okay, over here. Like that. Yeah, and grind it. Yep. Now, the mainboard will be cooler than the OG. Okay, so there's the EX30. You gotta do it with all the Begode mainboard. All of them. Now, it's not a design flaw. It's actually very good thinking, so it don't bend the motherboard on 4 corners. But you know, this is an extra edge of refining the design, and you gotta do grind the whole thing flush if you were to replace the thermal pad with the thermal paste. Okay, so just go to easy experiment. When you install it, monitor the temperature. If it goes up quickly, means this thermal pad is not touched the heatsink properly. Oops, and so on. So cheers. Make sure it's tight, but not over tight. Okay. Now let's plug in the batteries. Should we? Oh, nicely tucked in there. Okay, and there's 2 more screws from there. I put it to screw in later, but let's test this before I complete the screwing. Before I finish putting all the screws in. Okay, here we go. Now, moment of the truth. Let's see if we can bring this baby alive. Ta-da! Hold this. And she leaves. My baby leaves. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. Temperature's going up because outside is 32 degrees. It's natural, it goes up. Cool. Our member must be very happy to see this. I finished the putting in all the screws. Just tighten up, but not over tighten. Just enough for the pad, the thermal pad, to touch the heat sink. Just enough. You won't have overheating problem anymore unless we go climbing mountains. Okay, so let's put it back in, cover in all that. Make sure all these are in the grooves properly to stop any rain from coming in. One of our other member was running the rain, the rain went in and it killed the mainboard, obviously. So make sure all these go in properly. A little bit extra care, and that, and we won't have a problem anymore. Now this one here, let me just dust it off as well. Little things make a difference. So dust the inside off, because one is installed, you can't really do that. Outside bit. Now this one here goes here like that, and you don't over tighten the screws when you Mr. Our friend missing the handle. How lucky. Let me see. I'll bring your handle somewhere there. We're going to look for him. Lucky. Okay, so let's see. Handle and stop. Bring your handles. Yay! Okay, I gotta call him and ask him whether he wants a handle before I install it. Yeah, brand new. Got a few in stock. If you guys have a handle, let me know. Yeah, handles. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back soon. I gotta call the guy. Oops. Okay, so I called the guy. He's very happy to have the handle installed. So let's install it. Let's see. There. I hope you can see it. Okay, so to install the handle, the bring handle, the button here, it faces to the back. Okay, so push one in, press it, it goes in. Now, this one here, this finger, by design it's a bit loose, but I got a friend who prints them and I got a few in stock. It's very, very tight. But anyway, here comes another video. Like that. In. Beautiful. Bring your handle. Trolley handle. Okay, so it was saying this one here goes over here like this. make sure you have these seals, okay? They stop the water from coming in. Like this, the cutout goes to the buttons there. Yeah, and then you put the cover on. Give the cover now clean inside. And that, I'm going to show you how to do the cellophane one day, like that. Now, the trick of doing that is, let me see what my tool is. Yeah, is you don't screw like this. You make sure you press all the way in by hand, like that, so there's no stress on the screw. And of course, it's missing. He didn't give me all the screw. Let's see what we can salvage here. Let's see, we can salvage. Let's see. Okay. That, press it down by hand here. Don't over tighten it. I'll show you the reason why. There's not genuine screw either. There's not genuine. Oh, you find another one somewhere later. Okay. Over here, press it down by hand and tighten it. Not too much. Over here, press the cover down by hand again and slightly. Okay. Now you test to make sure it's easy to press or not. Let's see. Yeah, okay. And then that, and then off. On, yeah, and off. Okay. So let's tighten this. Yeah. Like that. And we need a screw here which is missing. And that's the reason why he tried to replace with this one here. No worries. Let's do the back one first. Yeah, don't over tighten it. Beautiful. Let me just go and get the amplifier screw somewhere here. If you can find it. It's 2.5 hex. Let's see where it is gone. 2.5 hex. Maybe here. Just find it. Beautiful. Hopefully this board will work on it. Let's see. Oh. Gotta do what we gotta do. It's there. And now let's test this one here. Ease the press. And off. And power off. Okay, again. On. This one here. It doesn't work because it's lying down already, so off. Beautiful. Done. That's it. So next we'll put the cover here. On. And that, there's 2 screws inside, it's to the back here. And let's see if our friend's giving it to us. No, he hasn't. Yeah, there's only 2 of them. So I'm gonna put 2 in and go and find another 2 somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna put maybe 1 at the front, 1 at the back, just for the moment, so that the thing doesn't come off. So you can. 1 here, 1 here, and you'll go and find 2 more to complete the job. Let me see. Let's see. Here. Oh, that's the wrong one. This one here. I think M3. Yeah. That's good enough. Don't tighten it just for the moment. And we find two more anyway later. Let's see where this one goes. Excuse me, I'm tired people. I've been working all day, doing heavy work at home and all that, so my trousers all torn. It's not very new like, but I don't have time to get changed. Okay, so let me see. It's somewhere. It's not a correct screw either. Okay. Deep for now, I do find two more and do the whole thing later. But now let's see if she balances. Let's have a look. Now turn her on. And up. Beautiful. Done. Let's turn up a bit. Ta-da! So that's how you replace some EX30 motherboard. Any question? Comment? You know what to do. Cheers! And if you're in Melbourne, tomorrow Thursday we're riding, guys. Don't know where, don't know when, but we're riding. That's how we are.